me. I ain't scared to catch a hat, that's why I'm riding with the city. Slid down the road.
Alright, YouTube man, we back, man. Currently made a stop, you feel me? We are currently in the country. We have a Porsche, you feel me? We got the Charger. Excuse me, you feel me? Got good body armor, you feel me? Body armor need to go ahead and sponsor me, man. Sponsor me, man. For real, man. For real. Man, we got like an hour left of driving. Then we got a 3-hour drive. 3-hour drive back, man. Damn! This man, SRTA Tate, man, he wanted to stop. He had to go potty and shit, for real. But I'm not gonna lie, I don't know where we at right now. We are on our way to Columbus, Ohio. But I don't know where I'm at right now. We in the middle of nowhere. There goes straight 8 Tate right there, man. You feel me? My son coming back. Fat boy had to grab some chips. You feel me? Look at him. You had to grab some chips, huh, son? You had to grab some chips, huh, son? Like my son.
Had to grab some snacks. I suppose.
You finna start up this. Yeah.
I ain't even gonna lie to you.
What?
You over your high ocean?
Yeah. What you talking about?
Nah, but I was in there, right?
Huh?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga had the whole, I ain't gonna lie. This nigga had the whole, pilgrim shit on this. Man, I ain't gonna lie, I wanted to say something to that nigga. I was doing this shit, but no, I wanted to say something to that nigga, but I'm like, no, bro, I'm like, bro, this nigga walked back in there. This nigga like,
Gotta hold this real quick.
oh, good POV, good Cammy, man.
Gotta get safety first, safety first.
Safety first.
Let me see. What is that, boys? Hold on. Keep on this. No, that ain't boys. All right, man, we back in there. But you said he had the whole what?
Nah, bro, this nigga walked back in there, but he's just nigga like, and how long, what pump did you put me on again? Boy, if you don't get, I'm like, hell.
Y'all want to pool, man? I'll give y'all a little pool.
My little pool.
Give y'all a little pool, and then that's it. Then we gotta get back to focusing. This is all done in the controlled area, but I'm gonna get back to y'all if we make another stop or we at the bike store.
6.5 hours later.
All right, YouTube man, we back. You feel me? This is the bumper video. You feel me? We got the car right here, 2nd gen Charger. As you can see, we changed the front bumper. This is a one-of-one bumper. You cannot get this anywhere. You feel me though? You can't get this anywhere. You feel me? We got the, if you know, you know, we got the wide body front bumper, right? Off this. You can get it with the wide body, you feel me? Wide body somebody bumper with that. And just the grill, but not the snorkels, you feel me? We got the snorkels as well. Hardest bumper on the 2nd gen, nigga, no cap, you feel me? You did. I ain't gonna lie though. You see the back though, on the 2nd gen.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's the best slider in the city of Detroit, Michigan, man.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I just was coming here to let you say, man.
Nigga said, you said best slider in Detroit, but hey, don't make me put the I ain't even gonna say too much, man, but you feel me? We do got the front end. We drove all the way to Columbus, Ohio, man. You see these is the newer, what?
We about the location and shit. We in Mexico. Best slider in Mexico, New Mexico City, Mexico.
I don't know what's wrong with that little boy. You feel me? But we do got the newer headlights as well. You feel me? This boy is hard. I do got some miles on the way as we speak. We have lowering springs on the car. I mean, I'm tripping. Yeah. It's not even gonna start, buddy. The key is right here. It's not gonna start. The key is right here, buddy. You know, my son, that inspired my son, you feel me? You know, I'm that, that's my son. I inspire him, you know, that's my son for real.
For real and shit, I was just chilling. Just got all my shit for real and shit.
Boy, if you don't get his ass gonna be so much, but you feel me? We do got miles on the way for the car as we speak. We have lowering springs on the way. We have a front splitter on the way for the car. Front side markers on the way for the car. You feel me? We gonna get it right, man. We gonna get it right. I can't wait for the other car to hop on the channel, man. I ain't gonna lie. The other car is really a one of one, like no cap, really a one of one. Don't nobody got that in the world, probably. I ain't gonna lie to you. In the world, for real, for real, for real, in a real way.
In a real way. It's just not qualified. Now you get a lot of guys. It's just not qualified in a real way.
I don't know what he talking about, but you feel me? This is that video. I'm just finna. This nigga retarded. I'm finna give y'all some, you feel me? I'm finna give y'all my montage. So, this is the end of this video, but I ain't finna give y'all my montage. It's been your boy 345 Tail and his son. And you check it out, man, for real.
Bro, bounce out. Get them sharks. Get them jump outs. All fast shit. Back to back, we playing Need for Speed.
Eventually.
All right, we told me we back. It's the next day. You feel me? We do got the. Look at him, but you feel me? We got the. You feel me though? We got the year out here. We got my boy Isaiah out here. You feel me?
You're not editing quality videos like me, nigga.
Hey, go ahead, shout yourself out, my boy. You feel me?
Y'all doing today? It's time Vito, man. You feel me? I'm out here cleaning my car because it's dirty as fuck.
You feel me though? He got the second gen. You feel me? We second gen twins.
Why you got the camera?
Oh, he took it. Feel me? You getting ready to go ahead and get up out of here? You ready to go? Come on, son. My seatbelt. What are you doing? What are you doing? We finna go ahead and get up out of here.
Your ass getting the watch, nigga?
Nah.
See?
Not from here.
Nigga, from where else then? Yeah, and they dry your shit up, man.
I don't give a fuck, Keisha.
They do
We
certain-
don't do washes. We don't do washes.
You gotta think of how good the wash is, man. Ain't that shit look magical, nigga? A magical wash.
Man, I'm about to get your magical head. You feel me though? But ooh, it feels so good to be on the cam though. You feel me?
Are you really? Nah. If you got me, feel me, good evening, fine shirts. I wash you and shit for real shit.
Hey, we're getting ready to go to the 3.
He just thumbs up to you.
Nah,
We gotta go work on.
I gotta go to Harbor Freight first real quick.
Alright, bro. We're going to get food in the middle of that, too.
All right,
Come on, I'll follow you.
all right, bro. Yeah, we got to.
Swear you POV.
Hey, record that. Record that. Look, he looking at the wood. Look at him. Get him. Oh my God, bro! You just missed storage. Bro, you
So-
not a good cameraman, bro.
Alright, bro, my bad.
You not a good cameraman, bro.
Bro, I ain't know you want me to face a nigga every time, you feel me, with the cam, but I got you and shit, son. Cause you my This nigga my son and shit. Like, you're my son. Come on, man.
Where's I am Nito? There you go.
This fucking thick ass tripod and shit.
Oh, hold on. Calm down, Jamal. Do you not know we gotta get to the left?
Yeah.
Hey, we gotta make a U-turn right there. At the past this light.
I'm going in front of you.
Alright, but not this U-turn, but the next one.
Not this one, but
The next one, past them two lights. You know, I'll let him do that. Like, let him have his little fun. You feel me right now. But when we get on that, yeah. Get bad bending, bro. Get bad bending, little bro. I'm telling you, little bro, bad bending, bro. Man, what is you scooting to see? Like, this nigga finna hit me, twin. Don't hit me, no.
Like, I just wanna sit back. Why the seat so damn, you know what I mean? Why this tripod so, you feel me?
What he say? Every time I hit that bitch drop. Every time I hit that bitch drop. Boy, woo. Nigga in that Jeep door. Nigga almost had.
What do you mean by that?
But we gonna keep it cordial. Alright. We gonna get you, boy.
What?
He doing everything. He doing that thing I be doing when you been hanging out doing that. I'm gonna show him how to float the boat. I'm acting like I'm in bed. Get off your scooter, baby. Bro,
Big jumping off the scooter, John.
bro, he gonna look crazy like that.
Oh, he look crazy?
Yeah, like nigga, I would literally park that bitch, hop out there right now that time.
Nah, it's like, bro, why your seat though?
It's like what? It's like what? What's wrong with my seat?
Your seat not going back, nigga. I can't even.
That's cause you too damn big.
No, nigga, I'm trying to see if I got the right angles and shit. You know, Mr. Tate shot the flick and shit. Yeah, and shit.
We record this L. I'm finna hand my youngin. I'm finna hand my youngin an L real quick.
Right.
Hey, put the camera back on me. It's still all I love though, youngin. But I gotta show you old school butt whooping. Show you how we used to get down back in my day. Back in my day, somebody we used to get down. Don't just automatically go, cause I'm gonna chase you, boy. I'm gonna chase you down. You know what that is. Don't do it! I told you I'm gonna chase you down, man. Damn, nigga. You don't wanna do that when you're. Why you let it off? Why he let it off? Are you working on a 3? You working on a 3? What are you doing, pal? You gonna go work on my 3 right now? Huh? Oh, you threw the spoiler on. Oh, nah, that boy look clean. Yeah, we out here.
Real shit, working this shit. Real shit.
You feel me? I go ahead and shout yourself out, you feel me?
Yo.
You know what the fuck going on? BTS shit, man.
Yo.
Yeah. Alright, YouTube. We don't have nothing going on right now. We're currently stuck in traffic. You got my boy Nito behind us.
I got it. No, I don't. Cause I'm a fucking guy, man.
I bet you I stick the cam out, he gonna rev and shit.
Huh?
I bet you if I stick the cam out, he gonna rev and shit.
Hey,
You said throw it out the sunroof?
Throw it out the... Oh, shit. Oh, get that.
Oh, this nigga just went
that's-
over the car. Ah, you got back there. Oh my God.
I was saying no, you fuck around school.
Ah, yeah.
I fuck around, go grab him. I ain't on my car, but we go grab my shit. You know, if y'all don't know and shit, you know I got good, great, healthy 4-banger on my shit. The infamous 4-banger.
Oh, nigga, you gay.
Bro, I'm telling you, this nigga think his shit faster than my shit. I'm telling you. Somebody tell this man 4 cylinders over V8s, man.
Nigga, what? Nigga, what? Nigga, what?
Oh, I need y'all to spam in this video in the comments, man.
Nigga, what?
What was you? Yeah. Man,
What is this nigga on?
yeah, I'm the cameraman.
Like, what are you talking? Oh, they all going over the thing. You can't do that. No, you can't do that. No, you can't do that. Oh my, bro, look at these niggas. Oh, they all waking up. Oh my God. Oh my God. These niggas all waking up.
That's 3.
Man.
Wait. I thought you delivered for Amazon.
Nah.
Why do you look familiar?
Nah.
I thought I used to work. Oh, no.
That nigga tweaking. What the fuck he talking about? What did he say?
Trying to get there. I will jump. She sound like
Bro, look at this. Oh my God. Oh, these niggas took.
It's going crazy.
Oh, we stay, bro. The train stuck, twin. The train, man. We on.
Oh, you hold up.
Sorry, nah.
Oh, this nigga awesome.
Huh? Bro, look at him, bro.
Oh, what you gonna do, son?
Critical. This is what we call a critical thinking moment.
Bro, what are you
Critical
doing, bro?
thinking moment, man. You can't park there.
Critical thinking moment. What you do?
Bro, I'm down. Jump this
Critical
motherfucker,
thinking.
bro.
Critical thinking.
Oh, shut up, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If I was in the pickup little twin, that bitch would have been got. Bro, what the? What are you doing? There's too much traffic for that, dog. Fuck, he looking at? Oh, this nigga just hop. Man, you might as well. Man. Oh my God, bro. This is a 12-minute video already, bro.
Hey, the reel's gonna go crazy.
Boy, I'm finna bust a left. Say I want to bust a left right here.
Go around that Silverado.
I'm finna bust a left at this bitch. Bro.
I ain't even gonna put that shit in there.
What?
I was gonna say, what if you bust a left as soon as you bust a left? Motherfuckers see you and shit.
What are you talking about, bro?
Hey,
Man, we gonna get back to y'all when we got some action.
Fight! Fight!